I'm gonna show you my top 4 tips to prevent your meat from sticking to the grill, so pay close attention. When steak, poultry, or seafood touches the metal surface of the grill, the proteins denature and in essence loses its protein structure as a result of the heat and the heavy metals present in the grill grate. The meat chemically bonds with the grill, also known as meat sticking to the grill. Science, am I right? Here's how you prevent that from happening. Number 1, always clean and oil your grill grates. This generates a barrier of sorts between the protein and the hot grill to prevent sticking. Number 2, make sure the grill is hot. Preheat your grill on high heat for at least 10 to 15 minutes, making sure the lid is closed. When meat hits the grill, that sizzle is steam being released from the protein, which can help provide a barrier. Number 3, patience is a virtue. Allow the meat to cook. The meat contracts as it cooks, causing the protein to congeal to itself more and the grill less. So less looking, more cooking. Number 4, brown food is good. Proteins and sugars break down in meat as they cook and bond to themselves and not the grill. This is called the Maillard reaction. Follow these steps for easy, breezy grilling without meat sticking to the grill.